3 cinematic sound effects for your next video. Cinematic sweeping Brahms. Gradual sweeping Brahms that build intensity. Ideal for leading up to climactic moments, creating suspense and making transitions more dynamic. Cinematic resonant Brahms. Deep, echoing Brahms sounds that add a sense of vastness. Perfect for large-scale scenes, creating a sense of space and grandeur and enhancing the visual impact. Cinematic glitches. Distorted, erratic sounds that add a futuristic or chaotic element to your scenes. Use cinematic glitches to emphasize technology malfunctions, surreal moments, or intense psychological states, enhancing the visual disorientation. We've helped over 20,000 video editors on YouTube elevate their sound design skills. Now it's your turn. Get your free sound effects pack today. Click the link to download yours.